Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today's video we are looking at Ecobit, a centralized crypto exchange that supports both spot and future tradings for Bitcoin, Ethereum and many other altcoins. Before we begin, please note that this video is for informational and educational purpose only and it does not represent financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Let's dive into the details of the project. But first of all, here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel NFT GM Studio, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Dear viewers, you know that NFT GM Studio brings amazing offers and crypto insights for you. Let's dive into details of Ecobit Exchange, amazing platform bringing amazing opportunities. Ecobit was launched in 2023 by a team with backgrounds in leading global institutions such as HSBC, Goldman Sachs, Google, and Samsung. The exchange is designed with enterprise level technology, offering speed, security, and scalability for traders worldwide. This platform brings amazing features. It's a user-friendly interface, top-level security, and global coverage. You can start your crypto journey with easy steps. First of all, you will have to download the Ecobit in the form of application. It also works on Android. It also works on iOS, and then you will have to register an account. I will explain later how can you register your account, and then you can make spot and future trading. You can trade anywhere, anytime. Here is the QR code scan to get started. iOS and Androids. Dear viewers, Ecobit is available on Google Store, on Google Play, and Apple Store. Test Flight and Android. You can download it in the form of application and you can start your crypto journey. Now we will break down its features one by one. Here you can see that first of all we will discuss markets. Ecobit offers access to a wide range of digital assets including BTC, Ethereum, and other altcoins with active daily trading volumes crossing billions of dollars. The platform ensures liquidity and efficiency for both institutional and retail participants. And the next feature is here you can check out its spot trading. In the spot market, traders can directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies with deep liquidity and competitive spreads. Ecobit supports more than 100 trading pairs, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Here you can check BTC and USD trading pair. Here you can check its price change, 24-hour high, low, and 24-hour volume, and other details have been provided. And the next feature is future trading. Here you can check for those interested in derivatives. Ecobit provides future trading with leverage option up to 1 to 5x. The system is built for ultra fast execution and includes tools like one-click reversal and two-way order opening, offering flexibility for different trading strategies. And the next one is copy trading. Dear viewers, Ecobit includes a copy trading feature where users can follow professional traders and automatically mirror their strategies. This makes it easier for new participants to learn and engage with the markets while observing expert approaches. And the next feature is affiliate program. Here you can check out the details. The exchange runs an affiliate program designed for content creators, influencers, and community leaders. Affiliates can collaborate with Ecobit and build long-term partnerships while promoting the platform in a compliant manner. Here you can check the exclusive benefits of the affiliate program: tiered rebate rewards, marketing and platform support, exclusive event participations, and co-branded collaborations. And here you can check who can join. So crypto calls, KOSC, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms and community leaders and industry pioneers can join this. And here is the procedure how to join the affiliate program. So all the details have been provided. First of all, you will have to submit your application, and then you will have, once your application is approved, you can visit the invitation center, and then you can earn industry leading rebates when your referrals trade via your exclusive link. And the last one will be monitor performance through the Ecobit affiliate dashboard. So this is how you can join the affiliate program. And now I will explain how can you join, how can you register your account. The process is very simple and very easy. Dear viewers, now I will explain how can you register your account. The process is very simple. You can register your account through email, and you can also register your account through mobile phone number. I have already registered my account, and now I am going to log in it. Here you can see that I have put my email and password. Now I will make it login. Here you can see, here will be a small security test. Verification code will be sent to your email. You will put it in within the time. After putting the verification code, you will click next step. Dear viewers, here you can see that I have successfully registered and logged in my account, and here you can check another amazing program, that is referral program. Ecobit also provides a referral system that allows users to invite friends and community members to the exchange. Participants can benefit from rewards based on their referral trading activities, encouraging community-driven growth. Here is your invitation link. Just copy it and share it with friends. Invite friends, and then friends trades, and then trading rebates. You can earn profits, and here you can check the commission records, and its dashboard is very user friendly. You can check out the details. And another amazing big news for the crypto lovers is that the security and the technology of the Ecobit. Dear viewers, with MPC, TSS, multi-party computations technology, and quantum resistance, Ecobit holds a virtual asset services provider VASP license in Czech Republic, expanding its operations in the European Union. It is also registered with FinCEN in the US and in FinTrack in Canada. Recently, it partners with Coin1 in South Korea and joined the Code Alliance, strengthening its compliance standards. Here you can check the Business Insider report about the Ecobit secures Czech VASP license and partners with Coin1 to enhance crypto deposit and withdrawal services. Here all the details have been provided, and you can check out. So dear viewer, this is a big news for the Ecobit lovers. And now here you can check out the Telegram community of the Ecobit. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community to get real-time updates and announcements. And the next one is official Twitter handle of Ecobit. Here I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter page of Ecobit to get real-time updates, announcements, and latest news about the Ecobit. Dear viewers, Ecobit with MPC, TSS, multi-party computation technology, and quantum resistant encryption, Ecobit enhances the security of digital assets. Its matching engine processes over 100,000 orders per second, ensuring speed and reliability under high market demand. So at the end, I would like to conclude that Ecobit positions itself as a global, secure, and compliant platform offering spot futures and innovative trading tools. Dear viewers, if you like to explore Ecobit further, you will find all relevant links conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.